Hello all. Today we will make notes on the coronavirus disease 2019 clinical management guidelines by the WHO published in May 2020. So about the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 is caused by SARS coronavirus type 2, and it is a newly emergent coronavirus that was first recognized in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Genetic sequencing of the virus suggests that it is a beta coronavirus closely linked to the SARS virus. By way of definition, a symptomatic COVID-19 case is a person who has developed signs and symptoms suggestive of COVID-19. Symptomatic transmission refers to transmission of SARS coronavirus 2 from persons with symptoms. Epidemiology and virologic studies suggest that transmission mainly occurs from symptomatic people to others by close contact through respiratory droplets, by direct contact with infected persons, or by contact with the contaminated objects or surfaces. Clinical and virological studies that have collected repeated biological samples from confirmed patients demonstrate that shedding of SARS coronavirus type 2 is highest in the upper respiratory tract, that is, nose and throat. Early in the course of the disease, within the first 3 days from onset of symptoms. So, within the first 3 days of onset of symptoms, maximum amount of the shedding of the SARS coronavirus will be there in the upper respiratory tract like nose and throat within the first 3 days of onset of symptoms. And the incubation period for COVID-19, which is the time between the exposure to the virus and symptom onset, is on average 5 to 6 days. So incubation period is 5 to 6 days. 5 to 6 days, and it can be up to 14 days. During this period, also known as the pre-symptomatic period, some infected persons can be contagious from 1 to 3 days before onset of the symptoms. So this is called pre-symptomatic period. And at this time, infected persons can be contagious 1 to 3 days before the onset of symptoms. It is important to recognize that pre-symptomatic transmission still requires the virus to be spread via infectious droplets or by direct or indirect contact with the bodily fluids from an infected person. An asymptomatic case is a person infected with SARS coronavirus who does not develop symptoms. While most people with COVID-19 develop only mild or moderate disease, approximately 15% develop severe disease. So, most people develop mild or moderate disease. But about 15% can develop severe disease that requires oxygen support, and critical disease In the rest 5% with complications of respiratory failure, ARDS, sepsis, septic shock, thromboembolism, multi-organ failure, multi-organ dysfunction syndrome, multi-organ failure, including acute kidney injury or cardiac injury.